Have you heard what Pastor Tunde Bakare, the General Overseer of the Citadel Global Community Church, said about Tinubu's government? This is a story you can't afford to miss. Sit back, relax, and enjoy. Welcome to DIGINAIJA, where we bring you the latest stories in town. Remember to like, share, and comment. Pastor Tunde Bakare, the General Overseer of the Citadel Global Community Church, is criticizing the government of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu for not cutting the cost of governance. He said this in a recent video which appears to have been recorded at his church. The former presidential aspirant condemned Tinubu for appointment of high number of ministers in his cabinet, noting that his government is hypocritical. Nǹkan tó sọ ni pé ó ní iye àwọn mínísítà tí Bọ́lá Tinubu yàn sínú cabinet ó náà ti pọ̀ jù. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni, ẹ wá gbọ́ nǹkan tí Pastor Tunde Bakare fúnra wọn fẹnu ara wọn sọ. Ẹ jẹ́ ká gbọ́.
This is not the kind of record expected of a supposed reform-minded government. In a world of cutting-edge nations, in which governance is becoming lean and agile, what does the president need 48 ministers? Or a cabinet of close to 70 persons for, other than the distribution of patronage? It is hypocritical for a government that has subjected Nigerians to untold hardship by adopting neoliberal policy prescriptions to then turn around and expand the size of government, thereby violating a core aspect of the same neoliberal principles. That, Mr. President, does not constitute genuine reforms. It is governance by political convenience. Truth be told, certain ministerial appointments and that of the current APC chairman by consensus illustrate the error that proceeds from the ruler, as stated by the preacher in Ecclesiastes chapter 10, 5-7. He reads, and I quote, "There is an evil I have seen under the sun, as an error proceeding from the ruler. Folly is set in great dignity, while the rich sit in a lowly place. I've seen servants on horses, while princes walk on the ground like servants." It does appear, Mr. President, that by your appointments, there's a reward for bad behavior and mediocrity in our polity.
So that's it. Do you agree with what Pastor Tunde Bakare is saying about Tinubu's government? Do you oppose it? Whatever it is you think about it, drop your comments below. Remember to follow us for more stories, and remember to like, comment, and share. This is DIGINAIJA. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.